Well, the latest drought monitor out today. Pretty big difference between a week ago and the latest drought monitor, in particular, as the drought just continues to vanish before our eyes. This is last week. Notice the difference in Central California just in a week's time. And we're going to see bigger differences, more on that in a second. I want to go back. Again, it's important to note, because not a lot of people are reporting on this. What has happened in California has been amazing. Look where we were October 4th. Exceptional extreme drought. That's long gone. And now we're going to continue to get rid of the severe drought. That'll be gone. And in fact, I think by the end of March, there may be virtually most parts of California will have no drought. That's amazing. All right, here's what's going on. Now, short-term pain, long-term gain. I just showed you the long-term gain. Now I got to show you the short-term pain. Some flooding here as we go over the next couple of days here, because we have a little different weather pattern. What we've seen in the last couple of weeks are these upper lows coming out of the Gulf of Alaska and coming into Northern California. They've had a lot of cold air, but they haven't had a lot of moisture. So we haven't had a lot of lowland rains. We've had lots of precipitation in the mountain in the form of snow. But now it's a little different. We do have an upper low, but look what's going on out here. Another upper low in the Pacific. This is the system that has a ton of moisture, and you can see where it's headed all the way into California here. And in fact, this is going to be a true atmospheric river. What's an atmospheric river? It's a ribbon of moisture, generally from the tropics, that's transported thousands of miles. These can occur anywhere, but they oftentimes occur along the West Coast. This is a true bona fide atmospheric river. If you just go from Honolulu to San Francisco, where you can see all this moisture coming in, it's about 2,400 miles in length. Now, you're looking at the moisture content. You're looking at the amount of moisture through the entire depth of the atmosphere. That red is tropical moisture. Now, the saving grace with this is that this atmospheric river is not going to get stuck for 24 hours. It's going to move. So we're not going to be seeing rainfall amounts of 10, 11 inches, but we are going to see a soaking rain. Anywhere in green, at least an inch or two. Notice the Bay Area, 2 to 4 inches of rain. And then we start talking about the foothills of Sierra between about 2,000 and 5,000 feet, where we already have several feet of snow on the ground. With warming, that snow's going to melt. We're going to put some rain on top of that. And within this green area, this is where you're going to get a combination of heavy rain and snow melt. And that's why we're worried about some flooding. Certainly, the rain will be heavy enough to cause major travel delays. There could be some debris flows, especially in the burnt areas and areas that have a lot of snow. In those foothills, there is the risk of roof collapses with the rain adding to the weight of the snow. As far as snow is concerned, snow levels are going to be sky high here. They are going to start off low, so I would not be surprised if we had major travel delays I-5 through Shasta County in Northern California before a change over to rain. Also, Donner Summit, I think you're going to get over 2 feet of snow late tonight, tomorrow, before a change over to rain. But once you're above 8,000 feet or so, this is going to be all snow, and you'll likely get about 7 to 8 feet. I'm going to say that again, 7 to 8 feet of snow during this event up above 8,000 feet. And by the way, we are not done, unfortunately. There are more storms coming next week with renewed threat of heavy rain and high elevation snow. Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, check out these other videos here and be sure to subscribe for new content and the latest weather news from AccuWeather.